Hello everyone, my name is Gudla Raghuwing. I am a civil engineering graduate from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. I was a non-IT student. When I decided to transition my career into data science, that is when I joined Innomatics Research Labs. Before joining Innomatics, I was preparing for state and central level examinations. I did it for 1 year. Then I realized that I need to develop new set of skills to transition my career into something strong and revolutionary. So I started my quest to find the best possible domain in IT industry to transition my career into. As fate has it, one day my friend called me and saying that he had decided to transition his career into data science. From him, I got to know about data science and Innomatics as well. I did my research too and got to know that Innomatics Research Labs is the best edutech to choose data science. Classes at Innomatics Research Labs were fantastic. The educators were industry experts who provided clear, concise, and engaging lectures with real time practical examples, which made complex concepts easy to understand. The curriculum was very well structured and provided me all the necessary skills that I need to become industry level data scientist. The program wasn't just theoretical but provided practical applications through complex and challenging assignments and projects. Additionally, the mentoring sessions were invaluable. They provided me guidance and helped me overcome challenges. So that is how finally I chose Innomatics and data science. The management at Innomatics Research Labs went above and beyond by providing dedicated placement activities such as mock interviews, resume building sessions, and interview counseling. These sessions helped me refine my resume, develop interpersonal and technical skills. I used the interview skills that I learned from these sessions and started preparing how to answer technical as well as behavioral questions that might ask in the real interviews. My interview preparation was quite robust. I used to ask questions to myself and that might ask in the real world interviews and start preparing answers to those questions. The knowledge and experience that I gained through the course at Innomatics given me a deep understanding of the field in real interviews. So finally, I am very happy to deliver my heartful thanks to Innomatics Research Labs and its management. I landed my dream job as a junior software engineer. If you are someone looking for a career transition into data science, choose Innomatics Research Labs. I want to thank my parents for believing in me and I'm grateful for their support. I also want to thank myself for the dedication and work I put into something that I wanted the most. Once again, thank you Innomatics and everyone who helped me.
Innomatics Research Labs. We don't just train, we transform careers.